6mm Allen key is going to take our rotor off. So it'll tell you this side out. So when you put your new guy on, you know what to do with it. It'll tell you. Make sure, you're going to want to make sure the surface is real clean here too, because you don't want it offsetting that rotor at all, really. Let's see. Alright, we're back at the rotor. Now this rotor right here is not directional. It's not marked. Your factory rotor though will probably be marked, and the torque spec on it is 29 foot-pounds. You know, I'm just going to use my feel on it, but if you want to do the torque spec, it's 29 foot-pounds. You're also supposed to use some Loctite, so I'll be using a little bit of that. I'll hit a little bit on each one.